When all things narrative came into my life, I didn't realize I was at a season where I needed to reflect what my story was and how colorful and multifaceted it was. It gave me an opportunity to pause, look at things that have occurred in my life, and see how they have been assets and actually benefited me to the person I am today.
So after taking the Live a Meaningful Story program, I love having the tools to know how to cope with my story moving forward, to know how to organize my soul, and to know how to express things that I felt but didn't always have the words for.
And I knew that the workshop would be helpful for me as somebody who's young and trying to just find their place in their own story.
So one of the times that I realized that Derek had a gift was during our annual staff training at UII. He did this thing called Soundtrack of Your Life. And he had us all put together songs that kind of were snapshots from different points in our life. And it was a lot of fun. Got to know a lot about my coworkers that day.
As I look back on the assignments, each assignment just peeled back more of the unmined treasures that I'd forgotten in the past that I can use now to move forward and just help me to better communicate my story and what I've been through with others. And hopefully that'll help them be able to recognize the importance of storytelling.